All right, folks, so this is Sam with KC Lawn. Sometimes whenever you are out doing work, whether it's carpentry or lawn care or whatever you do with your trailers, that you do have to urinate. We're trying to stay hydrated, folks, and where are you gonna go? You're gonna ask the customer? No. You're gonna go to Quick Trip? No. What you're gonna do is that you're just gonna hop in your trailer and then you're gonna... So, without further ado, is we're gonna jump into this how to install a urinal in your trailer. It will be in the link in the description below if you'd like to buy it. Okay, folks, for the tools, you're going to need an impact with a 1/4 inch bit and a drill that has a 1 inch drill bit. And a silicone gun. Let's dive into it. All right, so here's your urinal, folks. We're gonna put this somewhere inside the trailer. We're going to hug it up against us like this, and then we're gonna just walk it where it would be natural. What you really need to do is you need to find the shortest guy that is employed with you, and then have him do it. 4 1 inch, 1/4 inch hex heads. Drive one of these boys in here, and then we're gonna send that second screw through. Excellent. Now you got 2 more screws. Okay. Excellent. Next we're going to grab our hose and we're going to attach it. Attach that there, and then what we're gonna next do is we're gonna find out where to drill the hole. This is the part where you need to understand that there's a frame that runs all the way around your trailer. Run outside or you can like open up your door and feel underneath for that frame.
Perfect, dude, right there. Right where your hand is, there you go.
Tips through. Tips through?
Yep.
Yeah.
Tips on through.
Oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy. He's got a little bit more waller.
Waller that son of a...
Excellent.
There you go.
All right, where's the sweeper? Then once you got that all cleaned up, you're gonna get your silicone gun, and then you're gonna get some silicone or sealant or whatever, just to make sure that it's going to be waterproof around it. Okay. And then we're gonna go around to the outside. Come on.
He's a learner.
All right. And I need to just kind of take this and I'm just kind of smear that around and be able to make sure it gets
barehanded too.
Last but certainly not least is that we're going to put the urinal cake in. How you're going to do that is you're going to open the package, pull out the said urinal cake, test for freshness, and toss it in. All right, folks, if this was helpful or useful to you, be sure to like the video. If you have any questions about the product, put them in the comments below and be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching.